Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to read another Daniel Tiger story, A Duckling for Daniel, from Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Let's get started. It's published by Simon and Schuster, Kids with Permission. It's springtime in the neighborhood of make-believe, and something very special is happening at school. Hi, neighbor, Daniel Tiger says. Come with me. I want to show you something exciting. In class, Teacher Harriet, this is Teacher Harriet, right, holds up a photo. Remember when we went to the farm? She asks. That's where we got our duck egg, Daniel says. Teacher Harriet says it's almost time for the egg to hatch and for that fuzzy baby duckling that's growing inside to come out. So they all go to the farm. They have been waiting for so long for the egg to hatch. Now everyone rushes to peek inside the nest. Oh, they brought the egg to the classroom. They didn't go to the farm. Look, they're all looking at the egg. Notice anything different today? Asks Teacher Harriet. Daniel takes a closer look. He sees a crack in the egg. Miss Elena gasps when she sees it. Who broke our egg? She asks. Oh, the owl tells everyone that the crack in the shell means the baby duck is trying to get out. He shows them a book. You know, when an egg cracks, it's time for the duckling or the chick to get out. Daniel is so excited. The egg is about to hatch, he shouts. But it's not ready yet. So Daniel has to keep waiting a little bit more. Daniel is not excited about more waiting. Teacher Harriet knows how to help. When you wait, you can play, sing, or imagine anything, she says. They're all pretty restless. All friends are here. While they wait, Katerina Kitty Cat twirls. Prince Wednesday plays with blocks. And Daniel imagines he's a duck. Quack, quack, waddle, waddle, he says. Quack, quack, waddle, waddle. Suddenly, the egg starts to wiggle and shake. Daniel's eyes widen with excitement. The egg is finally hatching. The shell slowly cracks open piece by piece. And the friends are watching, right? They want to see the duckling come out. Oh, look who's here. And out pops a brand new fuzzy yellow duckling. Everyone oohs and ahs. It's so fluffy, whispers Miss Elena. Welcome to the neighborhood, Prince Wednesday says. After taking a look around, the duckling waddles over to Daniel and says, quack, quack, quack. I think the baby duck just said, hello neighbor, Daniel says. Daniel is so happy he waited and waited and waited for the egg to hatch because he finally got to meet his new fluffy friend. Agga magga, he says. It's spring in Daniel's neighborhood and a baby duckling is born.